Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason, and you're now tuned into I Speak Geek. So if this is your first time here, think about liking and subscribing to the channel just so you can stay up to date whenever I release new videos. And you can do that by hitting that notification button. So I'm still giving away a K1 V4 and also a K4 Keychron keyboard. If you're interested, please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Twitter, and you'll be entered to win this. And I will be drawing a winner on March 1st. So guys, good luck. And today I wanted to talk to you about the HomePod Mini. So this has been out for like some time now, and one of the reasons I waited till now to purchase it is because I have so many smart speakers around my house. I have a Google Home, I have a Alexa. So this would just be another smart speaker in my house. And they didn't really make a good case for the HomePod Mini other than it being in the Apple ecosystem. And for me, I am in the Apple ecosystem, but this was just like a device I could skip on. But I decided to pick it up because the speakers in my laptop are not as loud as I would like them to be. I recently replaced my MacBook Pro 16-inch with a MacBook Pro M1 13-inch, and the speakers are not as full as the MacBook Pro 16-inch. Obviously, with it being a smaller size, I need something that will have more sound to it, especially when I'm editing videos or I'm on conference calls. So I decided to pick up a HomePod Mini, and this was more in part because of Big Sur 11.3. It adds support to use stereo speakers as your output source. And right now I only have one HomePod Mini, but I plan on using another HomePod Mini to make a stereo pair and outputting my computer audio to the HomePod Mini. And I am of course, a big fan of the Apple ecosystem. I am signed up for the Apple One subscription service, so I get my Apple Music and my podcasts all in Apple. And of course, this is just going to further accentuate that by adding this to my setup, and of course, augmenting my sound from my laptop. So without further ado, let's unbox this, take a look, and I'll go ahead and set it up. Let me grab my trusty knife and let's get unboxing. Normally Apple is so good about their packaging that you don't really need a knife, but this is the one occasion that I actually do. So very simple packaging. So here is the HomePod Mini. So it's more like I guess you want to say that's like a fabric material on the side. So a lot of people were experiencing issues with the original HomePod Mini because the bottom was actually leaving marks on their furniture. So be careful of that. I believe Apple did, change that, and I guess they put something on that. So they shouldn't leave any marks. And this time around, it is USB-C, and you cannot detach the cable. I know there were a lot of complaints about that because with the original HomePod, you're able to detach the cable, but in this instance, you're not. And it does come with a USB-C power brick in the box. And that is it for the HomePod Mini box. Let's see if I can get this plugged in, and let's see if it'll go ahead and power on for me.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. For more info, check the Home app.
Okay, so you actually have to use the Home app to set this up. And my phone is on the other side of the room. So let me grab that and actually, go through the app and set this up. All right, so I got my HomePod Mini in front of me, and it looks like it just popped up on my phone to set it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. so now that I have the HomePod set up, what Apple is really known for is their audio, and of course they made this process dead simple, and it may not give you the results like you want with a voice assistant, but Apple's audio quality on this is amazing. So you could just play any song and it just fills up the room, and you're surprised by the sound with the small speaker.
Hiding in the darkness, colder when it's twilight, and I've been feeling restless.
It's very loud for a little tiny speaker, and you can just tap it and then it pauses the audio. I am going to go ahead and play around with this more. I'm going to go ahead and try to figure out how I can make this play just by tapping my phone to it. I know that was some functionality that just added. Maybe I need to update the HomePod. I actually just tried it. It didn't work. Yeah, guys, this is the HomePod Mini. Now with 11.3, it makes it a more compelling case to pick it up. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.